Are you waiting for approval? Now you may be wondering, what who is going to approve anything for you? Now, if you're not aware, this is one of the things that hold people back. You're waiting for approval from your spouse, your children, your mother, your father, whoever it might be, so that you can take that action. Have you seen yourself asking? You know what I'm talking about. You know you have this feeling. You want to do this. But for some reason you go and discuss with your spouse and they watch how it happens. You are seeing something online that you really like, your energy goes, I think I can do this. You watch it, you get motivated, all motivated. What is happening? You're putting good thoughts into your mind. As a result, you're feeling good. Something might come out of this that is positive. Now, remember, there's a war that you're fighting that you don't even know. That's what I'm telling to you. Now, one idea just strikes into your mind. Boom, negative. Why don't you discuss this with your spouse and see what she thinks? And you say, okay. You go and ask your spouse, honey, I saw this online thing, man. This one looks real. I think I like it. I think I want to do this one. Be careful. There's a lot of scam out there. I don't get me involved. I don't want to know. I don't believe in this online thing. It doesn't work. What are they doing? They are affirming that negative thoughts that's going into your head. You see, the first one that went in there was very small, like a mustard seed of faith. Then the moment you ask them if they are disempowering, if your partner is disempowering, they affirm more negative thoughts. They bombard it into your head hard. You lose your money. This will happen. That will happen. They are telling you these things based on your past record. Don't get me wrong. They're not bad people. They are trying to tell you who you are. But when you initially saw these contents, this online training that you really want to do, this thing, I'm gonna do this. You were exercising the spiritual essence of you. That is the champion God has deposited inside you, that is always seeking for expansion and full expression. But remember, there is always going to be polarities in everything. Where there is good, just look around the corner, there is bad. And where there is light, if you go into a room that is dark, once you turn on the light, the darkness will disappear. But it hasn't gone far. It's just waiting for anything that will take the light away. And it will take over. So what you need is an environment that will help you shine. Your spouse, if they are disempowering you, don't hate them. Don't understand this. Where there is no vision, the people will perish. Have you heard that there can be two captains in one ship? I didn't come up with that. Who said it? You're trying to put two captains in one ship. You see, when you don't believe in yourself, chances are you'll be seeking other people's opinion. And what will they give you? Exactly what they have. Look at the suggestions they will give you. They won't give you anything great. But when you mastermind with great people, they'll be affirming great thoughts into you. They'll be strengthening that spiritual essence of you to come out. They'll be strengthening it because, again, seed, both of them are seeds. If you read it, Stranger Secret, he said if you plant a poison on one side and you plant corn on one side, if you water the both of them, it will grow. So it doesn't matter. That is how your mind works. So if you're waiting for an approval, this might be you. You're looking at your spouse and you're thinking or looking, how can I do this? I can't do this. Or you're seeking for them to make a decision for you. I'm telling you, look at what they have. That's what they will give you. So if they don't have what it is that you're looking for, Go to the people that will strengthen you, the people that will bring out the best in you. Remember, there will always be fear when you're about to take that action. The fear will never disappear. But as long as you keep moving, you lean into it, you feel it. You will feel it. You lean into it, you do it. And you keep putting one step ahead of the other. A journey of 1,000 miles will start with a single step. Now, what would happen to your spouse later is, once you begin to make this little bit of leaps of faith and keep moving, as you keep going, you start strengthening your belief. They'll begin to see a difference in who you are now, because the person you are now is who they are judging you by, but not the person that you will become. So it's the person that you will become that you need to focus on. Try and be that person. Wake up earlier than you used to. Go to bed late. It doesn't matter. It's only going to be temporary. But you can do it. Just do it. Do it. They will begin to see the difference. And now, when you now make a decision, they will honor it. But now, if you make a decision, they might come back at you and say you're going to fail. But you need to prove them wrong. You're not fighting against them. Remember that. You're only leading them by example, because you are born to be a leader, not a follower. You get that? But you have to follow people first before you can become a leader. You have to be a servant first before you can be a king. So find people that you can follow, not the people that will disempower you. People that will empower you, people that will bring the best out of you. This is a little food for thought, because I see somebody that was telling me that he needs to speak with a wife, and I'm like, it's up to you what you decide, but I know what the outcome is going to be. They're only going to give you what they have. It's not that they don't like you, it's not that they protect you with their own shield, but what I'm saying to you is, God has given you a vision to fulfill in your lifetime. What are you doing with it? You're waiting for your spouse that is meant to help you before you move. No, you have to move. When they see you take the action, they will begin to help you. They will know, they will see that you're not coming back. You're not settling for here. You mean business. They don't have any other option, because they know if they don't follow you, they will lose you. It's like a magnet. Success is like magnet. When they will follow you, they won't even know. You don't need to alter a word to them. Don't go and start trying to convince them to do it with you or anything. No, don't do that. It's a waste of time. What I'm saying to you is, once you move, you magnet them. Success draws. It's infectious. Get to that level and watch the whole world follow you. These leaders lead by example. So don't wait for anybody's approval. You can do it. Everything that you need has already been deposited in you. God has gave it to you at birth. Don't waste it. You have people's life that you need to touch in this lifetime. Not tomorrow, not next life, this one. If you don't do it, you're doing a disservice to humanity. I'm only here to encourage you. I know I do online business, but what I've learned in this online business is, people try to live two worlds. Have a different life in business and have a different life at home. I don't think it works well. You have to be across all board. How you see your business, how you relate to your family, and everything has to have a balance. So everything I see, I'm experiencing, I share it with you. It works. If you want to make your spouse love you more, take that leap of faith. Give them a vision to follow you, and act on that vision, and watch what will happen to the relationship they have with you. They will love you more than they ever loved you before. You wouldn't understand it now until you start moving in that direction. It's another video from Pascal. If you want to join my webinar, it's every Saturday, 8 p.m. UK time. If you like what I'm sharing, you know what to do. Thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I'll be sharing these tips with you to help you and your family, because I know when you get it, you will also help other people, because you were born to be great. Love this. Take care. Bye bye.